Administration. Administration.
Administration. Administration. The activities that are done in order to plan, organize, and run a business, school or other institution. Administration costs are passed on to the customer. The day-to-day administration of a company. The government of a country, especially the U.S. Successive administrations have failed to solve the country's economic problems. A senior administration official has decided to step down. The management of public affairs. The inhabitants of the island voted to remain under French administration.